The Lennox brand is made in America and all of the units feature louvered metal panels to protect the coil from damage, but they are only sold through factory-authorized dealers. The brand features a proprietary aluminum alloy exclusive to Lennox that has been tested to provide superior corrosion protection. The ML17XC1 units are basic air conditioners with an efficiency of up to 16.2 SEER, but they are relatively loud with a sound rating roughly equivalent to a washing machine in operation. Their guarantee is pretty good, but does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The Elite Series ML18XC2 models are premium two-stage units, but they are rather loud during operation. The SL28XCV air conditioner is part of the Dave Lennox Signature Collection and has an outstanding efficiency rating of up to 25.8 SEER. Their precise comfort technology adjusts the compressor speed in tiny increments to closely match the current needs of the home for longer cycles, which results in superior comfort and energy savings. The units feature advanced sensors and diagnostics to make troubleshooting quick and easy. They have a modern rounded look, but they are taller than many brands and their guarantee is not as good as other brands as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure.